Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing GetResponse, an all-in-one email marketing platform that has been around for over 2 decades. I've been using this platform for the past year, and I've had a lot of experience with its features, pricing, and overall functionality. So, let's dive into the details. First of all, let's talk about the user interface. GetResponse has a clean and intuitive interface that is easy to navigate. You can easily find what you're looking for, whether it's creating an email campaign, setting up an automation workflow, or managing your contacts. The interface is well designed and doesn't feel cluttered or overwhelming, even though the platform has a lot of features. Speaking of features, let's take a closer look at what GetResponse has to offer. One of the standout features of GetResponse is its automation capabilities. You can create automated email workflows that send targeted messages to your subscribers based on their behavior. For example, you can set up a welcome series that sends a sequence of emails to new subscribers, or you can trigger emails based on specific actions, such as clicking on a link or abandoning a cart. These automation workflows can save you a lot of time and help you deliver more relevant content to your audience. Another great feature of GetResponse is its landing page builder. You can create beautiful, mobile-responsive landing pages without any coding knowledge. You can choose from a variety of templates or build your own from scratch. The landing page builder also integrates with the automation workflows, so you can send new subscribers directly to a custom landing page after they sign up for your list. GetResponse also offers webinars and webinar marketing features. You can host live webinars or automated webinars, and you can use the platform to promote your webinars and track their performance. This is a great way to build your authority and engage with your audience in a more interactive way. One of the features I really like about GetResponse is its analytics dashboard. It provides in-depth insights into your email campaigns, such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. You can also track the performance of your automation workflows and see how they're impacting your business. The dashboard is easy to use and provides a lot of useful information to help you optimize your campaigns. Now, let's talk about pricing. GetResponse offers a variety of pricing plans, starting from $15 per month for the basic plan, which includes email marketing and basic automation features. The Plus plan starts at $49 per month and includes additional features like webinars and sales funnels. The Professional plan starts at $99 per month and includes advanced features like web push notifications and a dedicated IP address. And finally, the Max plan starts at $165 per month and includes additional features like transactional emails and account management. The pricing is competitive compared to other email marketing platforms, and you can save money by paying annually instead of monthly. Overall, I think GetResponse is a great platform for small to medium-sized businesses who want to automate their email marketing efforts. It's easy to use, has a lot of features, and the pricing is reasonable for the value it provides. The platform also offers excellent customer support, with live chat, phone support, and email support available 24/7. That's it for my review of GetResponse. Take advantage of GetResponse free for 30 days by using my special link below in description, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.